Hello, everyone. I hope you are doing well today. Today, we are going to listen to a long and relaxing English conversation. In this story, two friends finish their workday and decide to visit a small restaurant near their office to relax and talk. The conversation is simple and natural, so you can practice listening and understanding everyday English. Before we begin, I have a small question for you. Please listen carefully and try to find the answer during the conversation. Here is today's question. What kind of drink does Ethan prefer to order at the restaurant? The answer will appear somewhere in the conversation, so pay close attention while you listen. If you find the answer, try writing it in English. Even one simple sentence will help you practice and improve your English skills. All right, are you ready? Let's begin the story.
Wow, today was such a busy day at the office.
I know, I feel exhausted.
I've been working non-stop since this morning.
Same here, I barely had time to check my phone.
And I skipped my afternoon break.
Really? That's not good.
I know. I was finishing that big report.
That project looked really complicated.
It was, but I finally finished it before leaving the office.
That must feel good.
It does, but now I'm really hungry.
Me too. I only had a small salad for lunch.
That's not enough food for a long workday.
Exactly. I need a proper meal.
Do you want to grab dinner somewhere?
Yes, that sounds perfect.
There's a new restaurant near the park.
Oh, really? I didn't know about that place.
It opened about 2 weeks ago.
Have you been there before?
No, but my coworker recommended it.
What kind of food do they serve?
I think they have sandwiches, pasta, soups, and grilled dishes.
That sounds great.
And I heard their drinks are really good too.
Perfect. Let's go try it.
All right, it's just a short walk from here.
Good. I need some fresh air anyway.
The weather is nice tonight.
Yes, it's cool and comfortable.
Here we are. This is the place.
Oh, wow. It looks beautiful.
I like the lights outside.
And the windows are very big.
That's a great spot.
We can see the street outside.
Perfect for people watching.
Let's sit here.
These chairs are really comfortable.
Yes, I could sit here for hours.
Look, the waiter is bringing us menus.
Great. I'm curious about their food.
Let's see what they have.
Wow, there are many options.
I see burgers, pasta, grilled chicken, and salads. What about you?
I think I'll try the creamy pasta.
That sounds really good.
Yes, I love pasta.
Now we should pick our drinks.
Yes, I'm thirsty.
I'm thinking about getting fresh lemonade.
Lemonade sounds refreshing.
What about you?
I think I'll order an iced tea.
Iced tea is a great choice.
I like cold drinks after work.
Same here.
Should we call the waiter now?
Yes, I think we're ready.
Excuse me.
Hello, we would like to order.
I'll have the creamy pasta, please.
And I'll have the grilled chicken with vegetables.
For drinks, I'd like an iced tea.
And I'll have a fresh lemonade.
Thank you very much.
Now we wait.
I'm really hungry.
Me too.
Look, the drinks are coming.
That was fast.
Let me try my iced tea.
How is it?
It's cold and refreshing.
My lemonade tastes amazing.
Is it sweet?
Yes, but not too sweet.
Perfect.
Oh, look, the food is here too.
That pasta smells incredible.
And the grilled chicken looks delicious.
Let's eat.
Wow, this chicken is really tender.
My pasta is creamy and flavorful.
The vegetables are very fresh.
And the sauce on the pasta is amazing.
I'm glad we came here tonight.
Me too.
This place is fantastic.
The food, the atmosphere, everything is great.
We should definitely come back.
Maybe next week.
Yes, after another long workday.
Next time, I want to try the desserts.
I saw chocolate cake on the menu.
And cheesecake, too.
That sounds amazing.
We might need to come here many times.
I wouldn't mind that at all.
Me neither.
This dinner really helped me relax.
Same here.
Sometimes all you need is good food and good company.
That's very true.
All right, we should probably head home soon.
Yes, but I'm really happy we came here.
Me too.
It was the perfect way to end the day.
After listening to the conversation, think about the question again and see if you were able to find the answer. Did you notice what kind of drink Ethan likes to order? If you did, try saying the answer out loud or writing it down in English. Practicing like this can help you improve your listening and speaking skills at the same time. Listening to natural conversations is one of the best ways to become more comfortable with English. The more you listen, the more familiar you will become with common words, everyday expressions, and natural sentence patterns. Even if you didn't understand everything the first time, that is completely normal. You can always listen again and focus on the parts you missed. Repeating listening practice helps your brain recognize words and meanings more easily over time. Thank you very much for listening and practicing English today. I hope this conversation helped you feel more confident with your English listening. Keep practicing a little every day, stay curious, and continue enjoying the process of learning English. See you next time and have a wonderful day.